Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing to my channel. So I'll be talking about a brand known as Bella Vita Organics. Bella Vita Organics has some organic products that is free from any harmful chemicals and harsh chemicals. It is cruelty free and they have a range totally dedicated to only unisex, that is for both men and women, and their products are really budget friendly and very affordable. So you should give it a try. I will link their brand site in the description, so you should definitely check out. They have a lot of ranges like hair care range, skin care range, eye care range, face care range, and a lot of perfumes. So what I'll be talking about is their perfumes, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, follow me over Instagram, and like my Facebook page. All the handles will be linked in the description, so don't forget to support me in this channel. So without further delay, let's get started. So let's unbox this first and see what are the perfumes I have got. So you saw the unboxing video. Their packaging is really very sturdy and sleek, so even when you get the glass bottles, you won't get any kind of damages. So first I'll be talking about this one. This is Flora for women. This is a luxury blend perfume. So the basic ingredients of this perfume is ethanol alcohol, perfume oil, basil propylene glycol, and distilled mineral water. So let's take it out. So it comes in this kind of packaging. You can see it's a glass bottle and the packaging is really very sleek and sturdy. So let's see. So this is the perfume. I have used it before and it lasts for about 6 to 7 hours without in contact with water, but if you come in contact with water, it will last for about 4 to 5 hours for sure, but it will fade very slowly, but it smells really good. Let's apply. It has a very floral and fruity smell, just like you are in summer garden. Exactly, it smells like that. It has a very sweet and mild fragrance which won't even give you a headache, and it is really good for daily casual outings or even for office wear. It's really good. So let's get to know about this perfume. So it is written over the packaging that Flora is a floral fruity fragrance for women, and the fragrance for all seasons and occasions, with the top notes are pear and berries, that is red berries specifically, and middle notes are gardenia and frangipani, and base note is patchouli. So from this I can very well say I can smell patchouli. If you have ever used any kind of a product that has patchouli, you will be able to smell the distinguished smell of the patchouli, and it is very mild and very fruity. It is really very pleasant for your nose. Actually, it doesn't make your nose more sensitive or doesn't give you any kind of headache. Now coming to this, you can see the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle. The color is green color. I guess it represents the Flora, and I really like the packaging and the look of this bottle. It really looks great. Looks just like a luxury perfume, and It retails for 999, but if you go to their website, you can surely check out that they are having a huge discount. Generally they have it on 599 or 799, so just check it out. I am linking it down the description so that it will be easy for you to find it out. So we talked about this one. It is totally fruity. It is ideal if you are going out for office or any casual outing. So that was all about Flora Women. Now let's go to the Gold Women. This is another one. So this also retails for 999, but I guess it was for 399 in their website, so you can definitely check out. They are having a huge discount on this. So let's unbox. So it comes in this kind of packaging, like general luxury perfumes you get. So this is the color, just like it represents the gold, so it is golden in color, and it has a musky smell with a more sweeter note as compared to the Flora, and it smells really good. Let's try it out. Yes, it has a very musky smell and a very sweet tone, and the smell is really amazing. It is also a very mild and pleasant smell. It doesn't bother my head right now. So yes, even just after applying, I just smelled it. Still it is very mild for me. Generally when you apply perfume and smell it immediately, you get headache. Especially I get headache, but this time I didn't get headache. That means it's a very mild perfume. So let's know about this perfume. It's a daring seductive scent of berries, flowers and tempting night musk. Yes, it has a musk tone. So yes, it is a romantic mood kind of perfume. It will be ideal for if you are going on a date or maybe out just for casual outing. It is really good, but it will surely give you a very romantic mood. It will set your romantic mood. And the Flora, this will surely give you a summer vibe, and the Gold will give you a very spring kind of vibe. I really like that, the smell. So the basic ingredients of this also is same, that is ethanol alcohol, perfume oil, basil, propylene glycol and distilled mineral water. Let's get to know about the notes of this perfume. So the top notes is bergamot, incense, mirabelle plum and blackberry. Both of the perfumes have berries in it, but the Flora has red berries while the Gold has the blackberries, but both of them has some berry in it. That's why it has a very fruity fragrance. And it has plum also as the top note, and the heart note is amber and burgundy rose, geranium and peony, while the base notes are dark vanilla, lavender, vetiver, balsams and musks. That is why it is really having a sweet tone, because it is having dark vanilla in it. So if you ask me which one to buy, I will say you can buy any of this two really smells really very good, but the Gold lasts for a little more time because of the musky smell in it. It will be lasting for a little more time, like you can say 7 to 8 hours continuous without fading very instantly. But if you come in contact with water, it will fade slowly in 5 to 6 hours. So you can try both of these perfumes. These are really good, and both of them have a shelf life of 36 months. So if you even invest in one of these perfumes, it will go on a long run, for a very long run actually. Even if you don't use it in this lockdown and still use it later on, it will surely have that much of shelf life for sure. Right now they are having a sale in their website, so do check it out. You will be getting it in a very affordable budget of yours. So that was all about these two perfumes. Yes, I should tell that the smell is really very luxurious if you compare to the brands. I don't want to take the name of the brands, but yes, if you compare it to the high-end brands, it is very similar to their perfume blends. It has a similar kind of smell to it, and it is really very luxurious feel. Even the packaging, if you look, they are having a very nice black and gold packaging, which gives a very fab look, you can say, and it is very nicely designed also. You can easily grab, and I really like overall, according to the price point, the perfumes are really good, and the quality of the perfumes are also very good. So do check out this too. Even I have talked about their unisex perfume, that is a sandalwood perfume, in my previous video. If you want, you can check that out as well, so don't forget to check that out. I will be linking down in the description. So that was all for the video today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video, please share it with your friends and hit the like button. And that was all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me, and follow me over Instagram and like my Facebook page. That's it. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then, bye.